next question on the board says, Kabbalah, in this week's Parashah, it says Avimelech saw Yitzchak jesting with Rivkah. Given the modesty of the Patriarchs and Matriarchs, surely they want to show public affection. I wonder, how could Avimelech find out about the marriage?
Okay, so jesting. It's a very good question. It does not mean that they were holding hands or something. Maybe they were laughing, maybe throwing things to each other, like behaving very affectionate ways. You understand? So, for example, if you were walking because they thought maybe nobody saw them, so of course they were distant, they would not hold hands or something. But you can see right away that somebody or the people look at at each other a certain way, like husband and wife, and they maybe they laugh or something. So that's how it's obvious. So it's not his sister, for example.
Thank you very much, Rabbi. Our friends has another question about the weekly Parashah. It says, after Philistine herdsmen breaking the oath by stopping up the wells of Abraham, why did Isaac agree to have the new oath with Avimelech?
Okay, I mean, it's a lesson for us for life. So you cannot be insisting on everything with everybody. So if you're going to insist on everything always being right, always everybody do the truth and kindness to you, so you're never going to succeed, and you're going to be this one of this unfortunately these depressed individuals. And I'm trying to help some people, but sometimes that doesn't matter how much I want to help. I'm not sure if they want to be helped. So they insisted, no, but they did not treat me well, and I did this to them and that to them, and still there's no appreciation. So if you're going to try to everybody to be such a righteous person around you, so you're only going to get a depression, guaranteed, right? But right, Yitzchak said, okay, forget about what happened. So let's continue. Let's continue living. And that's what we have to do sometimes. Don't see somebody cut you short or something. I would just give them whatever they want and continue, because life is very short. When you're going to be very exact with all of the people around you. So when you going to have time to serve HaShem? Understand? So sometimes if it's the problem, the issue can be resolved monetary. So let it be resolved monetary. Anyway, all of the money belongs to HaShem. Understand?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So and just one last point to this. So the Torah can be written with a feather or a kaneh. Kaneh is it's from Talmud Brachas. Kaneh is a reed, right? A reed that grows in the marshes, in the lakes or something. So it's it's very, very flexible. It goes to this with the wind, it can go all the way down, but then stand up. So with this, our sages teach us. So be like a feather or like this reed, right? So why? Torah was written to teach us the lesson. You have to be flexible. You cannot always have be stern or something, right? About sorrows of Hashem, yes, but all other things be flexible. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.